Good evening, friends and students. I am Pamela Anand from Advice International, a leader in abroad education, and I am here to take you through the education opportunities in Canada. Before I start, I would like to thank you all for making the last live session a big success. And in case you missed it, then you can still watch it on Advice page. Let us start with first question. Like why should students choose to study in Canada? Why this is a favorite destination among students in India? In any given year, around more than 1,80,000 students decide to study in Canada. Canada is known for its quality education and competitive entry requirement. A Canadian degree or diploma is recognized around the globe. Students who graduate from the Canadian institution enjoy successful and prosperous career. About 10% of Canadian universities rank among the top 200 universities around the globe. If you have decided to study in Canada from India, you will be charged lower tuition fee than counterparts in competing countries. For the past 9 years, a UN survey has found that Canada is the best place in the world to live in. Study in Canada for Indian students is also seen as a pathway to PR, which takes around 15 to 18 months from within Canada. Students are eligible to work part-time during their study hours and full-time during their vacation. Several programs may even have a paid co-op terms, where one gets a hand-on experience to work in the industry while studying. Further, on the completion of their program, students can work up to 3 years depending on the length of the program of their studies. Having introduced the advantages of Canada as a study destination, let me introduce the institutions that form colleges and universities in Canada. Canada works with universities, Canada works with colleges, and there are different type of colleges, like say private and community colleges. So let me brief about the universities and colleges in Canada. As I mentioned earlier, degrees and diploma from Canadian institutions are among the most widely accepted in the world. The education system in Canada encompasses both public funded and private institutions. Students have a diverse choice among 96 universities and 175 community colleges, and they do have a wide variety of programs. Post-secondary education is offered by 3 types of educational institutions, that is technical career private colleges, community colleges in technical institute, and the universities. So let me start with technical career and private colleges. What are these? These are privately owned and operated with the main objective of preparing students for the job market after a short period of instruction. It can start with 6 months to 1 year. The emphasis is that the career colleges is on practical skills over a broad range of programs. Post-study work depends on the institution. Generally, these programs may be in the field of culinary arts, makeup artists, designing, etc. Now, community colleges and technical institutes. What are these? They are typically have more career-oriented and practical technical related curriculum, small classes, off-campus courses, a greater ratio of laboratory space to a classroom space, and an interactive teaching style. These are government-owned and managed institutions. The PSW is available up to 3 years as per depend on the length of the program. We do have lots of community colleges, just to name a few: Centennial College, Humber, Seneca, George Brown, Douglas, Langara, Georgian, etc. Universities. Now let me just tell you about some of the universities, how universities work. Canadian universities are largely public funded, and as a result offer consistently higher quality at lower rates for international students than their counterparts in competing countries. They offer a broad range of courses and degrees from undergraduate to doctorate level. Class sizes in universities is generally very large. So let me give you some insight about the universities and colleges in Canada now. So I will start with how university work in Canada. A large percentage of universities in Canada are ranked amongst the most prominent universities in the world. A large number of disciplines have made their mark in the Canada, and the student can find any course of their choice in the country. Every year, the number of international students looking to study abroad in Canada is increasing compared to other nations. Universities in Canada are very economical. Thus, the student get attracted to the same. Although universities in Canada are more economical to study abroad destination, getting admission in Canadian university is very competitive in nature. The country has continued to maintain a constant rate of economic development, and thus students find it easier to maintain a decent standard of living while studying in universities in Canada. Canadian universities are known for their special extracurricular activities like skydiving, rock climbing, surfing, and much more. This gives you an opportunity to explore many new places and also experience extreme climates. Canada has been consistently ranked as one of the best quality of life for international students, which is another reason as to why foreign students decide to study courses in Canada. Several Canadian universities offer student co-op term wherein they are permitted to work for a year. Canadian universities conduct their program in English. Apart from the province of Quebec, where a large percentage of people interact in French, the basic language of communication in the universities or colleges is English. Universities in Canada offers bachelor degree, postgraduate degree program and master degree program. For bachelor degree, getting admission in university is highly competitive in nature, and to get admission you require a very good percentage in your HSC, and in some courses maths is the compulsory subject. For English language requirement, IELTS score is 6.5, no band less than 6 is required. There are some universities which provide postgraduate diplomas as well, with a duration of 1 to 2 years. For example, Thompson River University, Vancouver Island University, Cape Breton, etc. Getting an offer for a PG diploma courses from universities is much more easier than getting a master degree. And now for getting master degree in universities in Canada, universities scrutinize each and every other application to get the best student. It is an option for bachelor students, graduates who have interest in future learning and research, and for those who want to broaden their career possibilities. Their requirement is a 4-year of bachelor degree with a good CGPA and an IELTS of 7 overall, no band less than 6.5. GMAT and GRE is not a compulsory score to get admission for master, but although universities considered it's a preferred score. And for getting admission in MBA, most of the universities require a work experience and a good GMAT score. Getting admission again in master is very competitive, so the student should start their application process 10 to 11 months prior to the course commencement. The major intake is September, which is also known as a fall intake. Certain universities in Canada have a winter intake in January, and some of them have a May intake. Now I will inform you something about their fee structure. Bachelor program approximately cost up to 10 to 15 lakh per annum, and it's a 4-year degree. Furthermore, master program approximately ranges from 12 to 15 lakhs per annum. Generally, engineering courses have a higher fees. Canadian Institute again charge lower fees for the international student than their counterpart in competing countries, but at the same time they maintain excellent educational quality. However, as the fees are more affordable, admissions are more competitive in nature. Over the last 3 years, Canada's inflation rate has remained one of the lowest in the industrialized world. Now I will share you some inputs about the colleges in Canada. How does they work? Now, colleges in Canada offer certification that are issued on completion of various courses. First, we start with certificate. These are short-term courses, and after completion of these courses, the student will get a certificate degree, which is for the skilled student, which requires some kind of skilled courses. Let's say a hair designing, a makeup artist, or a culinary arts. PSW is depend on the institution whether they want to give or not. diploma courses, it is generally of 2 years. In many cases, a diploma is the best answer for the student. It comes at a fraction of cost, time and effort, and equips students with better practical skills and confidence for a new career. With the right qualification, the student be able to plan their career, choice and utilize skills. After the completion of diploma, the student can avail PSW. Almost all the community colleges offer a variety of diploma in each and every other specialized field. Advanced diploma now, it's a 3-year program, some of them which may lead to a bachelor degree. It is also for the student who have completed their high school and want to join a job-oriented skill courses. So the advanced diploma is one given to students who complete a set of course based on their desired field of study. Now let me talk about the bachelor degrees. The colleges also provide a bachelor degree courses. The courses also offer 4 years of bachelor degree, which is easier to get compared to the universities. Also, the fee structure at college for bachelor courses is cheaper than universities. So, bachelor courses almost available in all streams and at colleges is a very good option for a student who have not applied to the universities till now, or maybe who have a lesser percentage, or maybe not able to get the eligible percentage to apply to the university. So, they can apply for the colleges. Now, postgraduate diplomas. Courses from colleges in Canada. These are generally for 8 to 12 months duration. It is preferred by students instead of masters. These programs have a work term which provide full-time opportunities to gain practical experience along with the theoretical studies. An optional co-op term lasts 12 to 17 weeks. The prerequisites to participate in this program is a bachelor degree of a 3 years duration. GMAT or GRE is not compulsory. In fact, work experience is also not required. English language is 6.5 IELTS overall, no band less than 6 is required. Again, the application process turnaround time required 1 to 3 months with a high probability of getting admission to the desired person. The cost of program ranges from 16,000 CAD to 17,000 CAD a year. Now let me elaborate on the cooperative work term. This is why the PG students in colleges are more popular amongst Indian students. Cooperative education, what is that? It is which enables the student to work during the duration of the program. If the course design is taken with industrial practical vocational training into consideration, thus student gets the opportunity to work in top Canadian cities such as Toronto and Vancouver, to name a few. A work term, it is included in the course curriculum. It gives you a chance to gain practical knowledge related to the field of specialization. It has a large number of benefits, one of the most prominent one being gaining on the job training while studying. These programs usually last for 12 to 17 weeks. These courses in Canada amalgamate multitude of subjects with relevant work experience, giving you a head start with the job prospects. There are greater opportunities for you to connect with the job market by networking with companies. With a clear understanding of educational system, your decision to study in Canada will become much simpler. Now, universities and colleges in Canada host a large number of international students at any given point of time. They make huge investment for research on their practical training courses so that the student can develop their already existing skill set. Canadian educational institutions are recognized worldwide, with corporate employers actively seeking students who study courses in Canada. Now, in conclusion, I would like to highlight that getting admission in PG diploma in community colleges is much more easier, as it is accepting 3 years of degree which students in India complete prior to applying to Canadian colleges. Admissions to universities are much more competitive with difficult entry criteria. So for our students, colleges offer a better window of opportunity for abroad education than the universities. So the students who have not applied till now, they still can apply for PG diploma courses. Now, so I would like to conclude by stating once again the reasons to study in Canada. First is the benefit of a world-class education. Canadian college and universities diplomas are recognized around the world. The Canadian educational system encourages cross-disciplinary studies and the development of transferable skills. Second is gain work experience in Canada after you graduate in the form of PSW, and during your education again you can work in the form of your co-op education. Third, enjoy excellent quality of life. The fourth one, have an enriching cultural experience. The fifth and last one is the cost-effective studies as compared to any other country. With this, I have come to an end of my presentation. If you have any further doubt, do not hesitate to contact advice. The counselors will help you to choose the college and best suited for you. We are working from home around the clock so that your future is not put on hold. Thank you all for attending the session today. Thank you.